They wanted to reach the Earth's mantle. No one had ever done it before. So in 1970, the Soviets started drilling. They went deeper than anyone in history, over 12 kilometers into the Earth's crust. And then, suddenly, they sealed it shut. No announcement, no warning. What did they find down there? This wasn't some secret military project. It was a public experiment, the Kola Superdeep Borehole, located in northwest Russia near the Arctic Circle. The goal? To dig as deep as humanly possible into the Earth's crust. Scientists believed they could unlock secrets from billions of years ago. Earthquakes, plate tectonics, maybe even signs of early life. It started with optimism. State-of-the-art rigs, Soviet funding, worldwide attention. And for years, it worked. They broke record after record, 10 kilometers, then 11. By the early 90s, they hit 12,262 meters. That's over 40,000 feet, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. But then, the drilling stopped. The official reason? Heat. Temperatures were far higher than expected, over 180 degrees Celsius, or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. At that depth, their equipment started to fail. Metal warped, sensors fried, drill bits snapped like twigs. But that's not the full story. Rumors began to spread. Some said the rocks started behaving strangely, vibrating in ways no one understood. Others whispered about mysterious recordings, strange sounds deep beneath the earth, like screams. Of course, that part's likely an urban legend. The so-called sounds of hell were traced back to a creepy hoax from a radio show. Still, it spooked people. Even scientists on the project admitted they didn't expect what they found. Microfossils, bacteria that had survived in a rock 3 billion years old. No oxygen, no sunlight, no surface contact. Life in total isolation. What else could be buried even deeper? In 1992, the borehole was quietly shut down. The site was abandoned. No ceremony, no final mission. Today, it's just a rusted steel cap in the middle of a crumbling building, surrounded by snow, wind, and silence. Officially, the hole was closed due to funding cuts. The Soviet Union had collapsed, the money dried up. But unofficially, many believed there was more to the story. The hole had become unstable. Equipment was failing too often. And some say the scientists started to fear what was below them, not just physically, but philosophically. They were peering into a part of Earth no human was ever meant to reach. No one has ever gone deeper. Not in Russia, not in the US, not anywhere. For now, the Kola Superdeep Borehole remains the deepest point humans have ever reached. But it's also a reminder, the more we dig into the unknown, the more we risk uncovering something we're not ready for. So, maybe the real question isn't how deep we can go, but whether we should. Subscribe for more stories from the dark edge of science, mystery, and the machines that take us there.